I sure hope you liked that, Brother Vaughan.
If you didn't, Brother Vaughan, I think he might have wrote that song. He wrote most of it, at least.
Good job.
We enjoyed singing it for you.